Hi guys! So, last Saturday, bumili kami ng camera which is the Canon EOS M50. So, actually, Friday pa lang, nag-ikot na kami sa Yas Mall. Actually, hindi para bumili ng camera but to check nung tripod for iPhone, for my phone. Kasi wala talaga akong balak bumili ng DSLR kasi bago pa lang naman ako. But although kami ng husband ko hesitant kasi baka nga pagsawaan lang yung pag-video. But on the other hand, naisip ko na hindi lang naman sa video magagamit yung DSLR. Pwede rin namin siya gamitin sa mga travels namin. So, ayun, napabili kami. So, nag-search kami sa Yas Mall. First, nagpunta kami ng Virgin. So, wait. So, sa Virgin Mall, actually, kano siya? Sa Virgin Mall, it's 2,399 dirhams ang price nila. So, here. Yan. Bakit di nag-focus? Ayan. So, from 2,699, may ano sila ngayon, may promo, discount. So, nagpunta din kami ng EMAX sa Yas Mall. And the price the same, but they offered na tanggalin yung 5% VAT. So, we think na okay yung, yung deal. But still, nung Saturday, kasi nung pagka-uwi namin, nag-isip pa uli kami. So, nung Saturday, since mag-grocery kami sa Dalma Mall, nag-try na din kami mag-search sa mga electronic shop doon. Though yung additional namin napuntahan is Sharaf DG, actually same price lang din, 2,399. Then they can also remove the 5% VAT. So last na pinuntahan namin is EMAX uli. We thought na baka since different branch iba yung promo nila. So it's the same 2,399 plus, so 2,399 siya, then they remove the VAT. So that's 5%. So, that's about 2,279 namin siya nakuha. So, kasama dun sa 2,200 na yon, they actually gave free 16 gig memory card and the bag of the camera. So, part also nung freebies, meron din silang voucher, photography training voucher. Unfortunately, this voucher only admits one person. So, one voucher, one person for the training. It will be held sa Dubai pa. Actually, sabi ko sa husband ko, siya na lang umattend kasi sayang. So, ito yung course content niya. So, diba, makukuha mo siya ng libre. Kaya lang, ayaw niya umattend lang siya lang. Gusto niya kasama ako. Nag-email na ako sa Canon Middle East, but unfortunately, yesterday lang. Unfortunately, hindi pa sila nag-reply. Balak namin magbayad na lang for me. Kasi since yung husband ko, etong voucher yung gagamitin. So, ayun. Actually, sorry kasi hindi ako makakapagbigay ng proper review about the camera kasi I'm not really techie. So, nag-rely din ako sa other vlogs, sa reviews kung paano gamitin yung etong Canon EOS M50. So, right now, I'm using it. So, kayo na mag-judge kung okay ba. But, You cannot, but hindi mo siya totally ma-judge kasi medyo iniba ko yung settings. So, if ever medyo pangit yung quality, so maybe yung pagkaka-edit ko ng settings. But, I'm still trying to adjust it. Then, other one we bought is the Manfrotto tripod. So, mostly nung nakikita kong tripod sa electronic shop, yung malalaki, yung pang talaga, yung naggagawa ng proper photography. So, ito lang yung nakita kong handheld. So, this is quite nice. Ayan, so nalobat yung camera ko. So, I'm using my iPhone now. So, sorry kung naiba yung quality. Anyway, about the tripod. So, this is the Manfrotto tripod. So, wait. So, it's quite okay kasi syempre handy siya. Kaya lang yung self-standing niya, medyo hindi ko gusto kasi like, if you want na mataas mo siya so, ilagay. So, like, ganyan. Medyo hindi siya ganun ka-stable. Dumudulas siya, na-try na namin. So, kailangan mo siyang i-fully split. Yan. Para stable siya. Kasi yung grip niya, eto. Ayan. So, yan. Kailangan mo siyang i-ganyan. So, this one naman, yung niya, ipupush mo siya para mag-tilt yung camera mo kung anong angle mo siya gusto. So, push mo siya. Tapos yan, iikot-ikot siya. So, gusto ko yun. And pag nirelease mo yung button, ayan, still na yung camera mo. So, this is okay siya pag madali lang. Yung screw niya, iikot mo lang sa ilalim ng camera. Ito. Screw, come on, focus. Yan. And yung sa ilalim ng camera. So, ikot mo lang siya. So, this tripod, you can also use it hindi lang sa DSLR. So, pwede rin siya sa smartphones, compact camera, DSLR, and yun, compact camera systems. Ito. So, meron siya na yung pang sa camera, sa mobile phone, I mean. Ito, may kinakabit siya. Actually, nasa taas siya. Kasi, tinabi ko na. Kasi gamit ko talaga mainly itong tripod sa DSLR. So, later, may insert akong video about sa unboxing. So, makikita nyo doon. Hi guys! So, kagagaling lang namin ng Dalma Mall and bumili kami ng camera from Emax. So, the camera comes with free bag and 16 gig Ultra SD card. So, bumili din ako ng handheld tripod from Manfrotto. So, it's only 100 dirham from Emax as well. So, let's start unboxing. finally, this is the box. Let's open it. So it has the photography training voucher from Canon Academy. It's only valid for a single person though. It's the SanDisk 16 gig memory card, the warranty certificate, it's the manual of the camera, charger, it's the strap, EOS strap. Then the battery. So let's open the lens. It's the zoom lens EFM15 45mm. And another part of the charger. The battery pack. So this is the digital camera EOS M50. So kung makikita nyo, it's very handy lalo na pag walang lens. So it's nice. So that's the screen. You can flip it. So it's very handy lalo na pag nagvo-vlog. So kitang-kita mo yung sarili mo. So there you can put the mic, and that's for HDMI. So that's it. So next is the tripod. There, as you can see, you can also use it for smartphones and digicam. Next is yung handle natin for smartphones. So it's compatible for iPhone 6s Plus and Samsung S6 Edge Plus, or similar products up to 8.3 cm width. Then our tripod, we can start assembling now. Finally, my new vlogging come.